Welcome. Starting in a bit, thank you. Welcome, we'll be starting in a bit. Thank you. All right, hello everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. Appreciate it. We have a Monday night baseball break 209. Got a mix of some 2022 products. We have 8 items tonight. Got 2 packs, 1 hanger, 3 blasters, and 2 mega boxes. Let's go ahead and go over these real quick. All right, we have 2 packs of the Top Series 1. 36 cards per pack here. Looking for some royal blue base parallels. We have 1 hanger. That's going to be a Topps Heritage. 35 cards in this box. 3 blasters, Gypsy Queen. 49 cards in here. Looking for green parallels. Diamond Kings Blaster. 36 cards in here. Looking for 3 Artist Proof Blue. 1 red frame parallel on average. And last blasters in Absolute. 42 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph or a mem, 6 green parallels, 2 lava on average. We have a Bowman Mega, 50 cards in here, 2 packs of the 5-card Mojo Chrome on average, and last box is a mega box of Donruss, 114 cards in here, 1 autograph on average per box, and 12 hollow pink, 12 pink firework parallels on average. All right, let's go over our participants. All right, break 209. Surge, Diamondbacks and Braves, Brian V, Orioles. Surge, Red Sox, Ian Cubs. Surge, White Sox, Joe Reds. Mike Guardians, Surge Rockies, Brian S. Tigers, Clayton with the Astros, Mike Royals, Surge Angels, Ian Dodgers, Surge Marlins, Robert Brewers, Ian Twins, Manfred Mets, Mike Yankees, Surge Athletics, Chris Phillies, Ian Pirates, Zachary Padres, Andrew with the Giants, Paul Mariners, Andrew Cardinals, Surge Rays, Andrew Rangers and Blue Jays, and Surge with the Nationals. All right, let's adjust the camera a little, and we will start. All right, start with our packs. 2 packs of these, Top Series 1. 36 cards per pack, good luck. All right, start the break off with Huascar Noah, Matt Chapman, rookie Andre Jackson for the Dodgers, Ketel Marte, James McCann. Walk off with the Yankees. We have a Perez Abreu Hernandez card. We're going to randomize that for those 3 teams. Robbie Ray, Garrett Cole, Dylan Cease, another random. Ben Gamel, Aroldis Chapman, Christian Pache, Travis d'Arnaud, Rougned Odor, rookie Josiah Gray for the Nationals, Jake Arrieta, Adam Frazier. All right, that's going to be a parallel Clayton Kershaw. 35th anniversary, that's going to be numbered to 299 there. 35th of Chipper Jones. MLB, stars of MLB insert Jose Ramirez and Chris Bryant, Julio Urias, Jose Abreu, Kyle Hendricks, Yu Darvish, Martin Perez, Mitch Keller, Tatis Jr., Christian Vasquez, Bryce Harper, rookie Patrick Maizeka for the Mets, Pedro Severino, Zach Wheeler, rookie Rodolfo Castro for the Pirates, Trey Mancini, Matt Olson, and Zach Short, rookie for the Tigers. It's Kershaw parallel there, 35th anniversary, number to 299, going to Ian. All right, same pack. All right, New York Yankees, Didi Gregorius, Logan Gilbert. Moving on with the Dodgers, rookie Aaron Ashby, that's for the Brewers. Ian Kennedy, Willie Castro, Freddie Peralta, Kurt Suzuki. Rookie Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins. Liam Hendricks, Tommy Pham, Jesse Winker, Ty France, Matthew Boyd. Parallel of Kyle Higashioka for the Yankees. Rainbow foil, Ryan Weathers for the Padres. Flashiest feet, Christian Yelich. Stars of MLB insert of Luis Robert and Christian Yelich. Jose Abreu, Kyle Hendricks, Yu Darvish, Martin Perez, Mitch Keller. Slugger reunion with Vlad Jr. and Wander Franco. So we'll have to randomize that for those two teams in the end. Clayton Kershaw, Jose Berrios, Luke Williams, rookie for the Phillies, Austin Hedges, Yadi Molina, Dom Nunez, Starling Marte, Jazz Chisholm, and Sonny Gray. Oh, one more card, sorry, Tommy La Stella. Let's leave some of these up real quick. All right, next is our hanger. Topps Heritage, 35 cards in here, 1973 design this year. Empty box there. Travis d'Arnaud, Stephen Piscotty, Wander Franco, rookie. 2021 batting leaders of Trey Turner and Yuli Gurriel. Random there for those two teams. Brandon Marsh, rookie, Angels. Tyler Wade, Alex Bregman, Brendan Rodgers, Ronnie Dawson, rookie for the Reds. Jake Cousins, rookie, Brewers. Kyle Muller, rookie, Braves. Salvador Perez, Arozarena, Alfonso Rivas, rookie, Cubs. Austin Hayes, Aaron Judge. Saves leader, Mark Melancon, Liam Hendricks. Randomize that. Cal Raleigh, rookie, Mariners. Alex Reyes, Hans Krause, rookie, Phillies. Rookie pitchers, Zach Lothar, Spencer Watkins, and Bowman, all for the Orioles there. Phil Gosselin, Miguel Cabrera, Juan Soto, Jake Odorizzi, Anthony Santander. UH performers, rookie Joe Barlow, that's for the Rangers. Miguel Rojas, Corbin Burns, Will Smith, Jesus Sanchez, Sean Manaea, Aroldis Chapman, Shane Baz, rookie for the Rays, and a Jake McGee. Let me leave some of these rookies up really quick, please. Wander Franco for Surge. All right, onto our blasters. Start with Diamond Kings. 36 cards in here. 3 artist proof blue, 1 red frame parallel on average. Our packs. Empty box there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. That's 6 cards per pack. Good luck. All right, we have Miguel Cabrera, Ronald Acuna, Babe Ruth, rookie Wander Franco, artist palette insert Randy Rosarena for the Rays, rookie Aaron Ashby. That's for the Brewers. Another Wander Franco there. What's up, Andrew? Biggest hit probably is just Clayton Kershaw right now, number to 299. Nothing yet for your, what do you have? Blue Jays? Yeah, not much yet. We'll see if we can change that up for you. Ryan Sandberg, Clayton Kershaw, Don Larson, artist proof, Gabby Hartnett. It's going to the Cubs. Aficionado, Bob Feller for the Guardians. Mookie Betts. Cody Bellinger, Carl Erskine, red frame, Ty France for the Mariners. Angel Serpa, rookie Royals. Xander Bogaerts, Maestro is insert. Rookie Greg Diekman for the Cubs. Red frame, Ty France. That's going to Paul. Mule Suttles. We'll have to randomize him. Brandon Lau. Jose Ramirez. Roger Hornsby, artist proof. That's for the Cardinals. Art of Hitting, Ty Cobb. And Joe Jackson. Hank Greenberg, Nolan Ryan, Kyle Lewis, rookie Jackson Kowar for the Royals, Modern Strokes Bryce Harper, Ty France. All right, last pack of Diamond Kings. Eddie Collins, Cedric Mullins, Frank Thomas, artist proof rookie Mike Bowman for the Orioles. Gallery of Stars, Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. Drew Ellis, rookie. That's for the Diamondbacks. There's that Bowman artist proof there. It's going to Brian V. Gypsy Queen, 49 cards in here. Looking for some green parallels. Average about 1 per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cards per pack, 49 cards. Good luck. Evan White, Francisco Lindor, Christian Javier, Shohei Ohtani, green parallel Trey Mancini, Orioles, Jackson Kowar rookie for the Royals, Adalberto Mondesi. Rookie Jarren Duran for the Red Sox, Geraldo Perdomo, Bobby Dalbec, Jesus Sanchez, insert here, Walker Buehler for the Dodgers, green Christian Javier, rookie Colton Wong for the Red Sox. Couple of Red Sox rookies there. I was going to go to Serge. Wilmer Flores, Lou Bob, Machado, See the Future, insert Wander Franco, rookie. Green, Edwin Diaz, Paul Goldschmidt, Max Fried. Another Franco there. Jackie Bradley Jr., Josh Hader, Pavin Smith, Jesus Sanchez, Bert Umber, parallel. That's number 399. Green, Reed Detmers, rookie for the Angels, Mike Yastrzemski, and Matt Chapman. Let's go now the Marlins for Serge. It's number 399. Got a Brantley, Michael Brantley, Shane Bieber, Chris Sale, Luis Patino, green Shohei Ohtani, Marcus Semien, and Edward Olivares. Green Shohei there. Brett Gardner, Albert Pujols, Joey Votto, Eloy Jimenez, green Kyle Muller rookie for the Braves, Nick Madrigal, and Walker Buehler. Green Kyle Muller. All right, last pack of Gypsy Queen. Yasmani Grandal, Sean Murphy, rookie Stuart Fairchild, Diamondbacks, Mike Trout, green Daz Cameron, Tigers, James Caprillion, and Trevor Story. All right, last of our blasters, Absolute. 42 cards in here, 1 hit on for average, autograph for MM. 6 green, 2 lava parallels on average per box. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7 cards per pack. Good luck. Bartolo Colon for the Angels. Freddie Freeman. Lava. Alex Rodriguez for the Mariners. Yordan Alvarez insert. A green. Cal Ripken Hallworthy insert. Kyle Lewis. Pete Rose. Cal Ripken green. That's going to go to Brian V. Lava A-Rod. Rafi Devers, Xander Bogaerts, Adolis Garcia, by Storm, Mickey Mantle for the Yankees. Green Parallel, Brandon Crawford, Giants. Corbin Burns, and Goose Gossage. Ryan Sandberg, Wilson Contreras, by Storm, Lava, Pete Alonso for the Mets. Rookie class, Joe Ryan for the Twins. Historical duels, Green Parallel, Stan Musial, Albert Pujols, that's for the Cardinals. Ketel Marte and Ron Santo. Pujols, the Musial. Billy Martin, Lou Bob, Albert Pujols, historical duels of Clemens and Pettit for the Astros. Green Parallel of Stan Musial, Cardinals. Pete Alonso and Mike Piazza. Jacob deGrom, Robbie Ray. It's going to be an Alejo Lopez, rookie threads for the Reds. Koufax, Icons insert. Matt Olson Green insert. Clayton Kershaw and Thurman Munson. Going to Joe. Last pack of Absolute. Mookie Betts, Joe Jackson, Shane Bieber, rookie class Josh Lowe, Rays. Green Parallel Garrett Cole for the Yankees, Jose Abreu, Yordan Alvarez. All right, let's go with Bowman next. Mega box, 50 cards in here, 4 10-card regular packs, and 2 of the exclusive 5-card Mojo packs. Empty box. 1, 2 Mojo. 1, 2, 3, 4 regular. 10 cards in the regular. Good luck. Matt Chapman, Dylan Carlson, Paul Goldschmidt, Alec Bohm, Ryan Mountcastle, prospect Austin Martin for the Twins. First paper, Braylon Jaraba for the Brewers. First, Darren Baker for the Nationals. Prospect Chrome, Isaac Pacheco, Tigers. And first, Chrome, Benjamin Bailey, going to the White Sox. Aaron Judge, Aaron Ashby, rookie, Brewers, Luke Williams, Phillies, Ryan Velade, Rockies, Luis Gil for the Yankees, prospect Marco Luciano, prospect Jordan Walker, first Adrian Sugaste for the Giants, first Chrome Ronier Quintero, Cubs, prospect Chrome Tyler Soderstrom for the A's. Rookie Edward Cabrera, Jose Abreu, Mookie Betts, Hassan Kim, Vlad Guerrero Jr., prospect Brennan Davis, Cubs, first John Kenzie Noel for the Guardians, first Dario Lopez for the Pirates, first Chrome Jonathan Clase for the Mariners, first Chrome Junior Sanchez, that's for the Marlins. Joe Adell, Yadi Molina, Jacob deGrom, Corey Seager, Lars Nootbaar rookie for the Cardinals, Luke Waddell first for the Braves, Brady Allen first for the Marlins, Roberto Campos for the Tigers, first Chrome Braylon Minier, Reds, prospect Chrome Brett Beatty, that's for the Mets. All right, here's our Mojo packs. Good luck. All right, first, Benjamin Bailey for the White Sox. Prospect, Marcelo Mayer, Red Sox. Rookie of the Year favorites, Josh Lowe for the Rays. Prospect, Reginald Preciado, Cubs. And a first of Jeremy Vargas. Last pack of our Mojo Bowman. Alan Cerda, that's for the Reds. First for Colson Montgomery for the White Sox. Hi-Fi, Jordan Lawler for the Diamondbacks. First for the Rays, Curtis Mead. And first for the Blue Jays, Esteban Machado. Last box is Donruss, Mega. Let's make some space here real quick. $114 cards, 1 autograph on average, 12 hollow pink, 12 pink firework parallels on average. Empty box. There should be 6 packs, 19 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 19 cards. Good luck. Rookie Juan Yepes for the Cardinals. Diamond Kings Tatis Jr. Ryan Velade rookie for the Rockies. 1988 Retro, Dylan Carlson. Connor Siebold rookie, Red Sox, Wilson Contreras, Tom Seaver, Mitch Haniger, Shane McClanahan, Tatis Jr., Cabrera, Jim Thome, Corbin Burns, Bryce Harper. That is a Vlad Jr. Diamond Kings, number to 289. eBay, 1 of 1, 289 out of 289. Hollow Pink, Tyler McGill, rookie for the Mets. Justin Turner. Fireworks, Juan Soto, the hit list. And a Bomb Squad, Bryce Harper. Vlad Jr. there for Andrew. Nice hit there, Andrew. Next pack. Wilson Contreras, Eli Morgan, rookie, Guardians, Stan the Man, Usual, Roanzi Contreras, rookie, Pirates, Sandy Alcantara, Yordan Alvarez, Willie McCovey, Ronald Acuna, Rod Carew for the Twins, Brooks Robinson, Josh Bell, Max Muncy, Ozzie Albies, Jesus Sanchez, Eloy Jimenez, Mike Trout, Pink, Millville Meteor, a little soft corner there. That's a name variation. Brandon Woodruff, Unleashed, Ryan Sandberg, Fireworks, and the Casey Mize Trending Pink Fireworks. Oh, sorry about that, Brian. That happens a lot. Happens a lot with the laundry, man, for me. Switching the loads and forgetting to turn on the other one. Diekman, Mike Trout, Jarren Duran, rookie. That's for the Red Sox. Doogie, variation, Verdugo. Gavin Sheets, rookie, White Sox. Robbie Ray, Ty France, Frank Thomas, Garrett Cole, Ryan McMahon, Randy Johnson, Ryan Sandberg, Nicholas Castellanos, Joe Musgrove. There's our hit. That's the wrong Ray, though. Still a good card there. Autograph, Vidal Brujan, number to 199. O'Neal Cruz, Pink. Carlos Rodon, Ellie De La Cruz, Pink Fireworks for the Reds, and Garrett Cole, Dominators. There's De La Cruz there. Let's go on to Joe. O'Neal Cruz, Pink. Let's go on to Ian. Vidal Brujan, auto, number to 199. Let's go to Surge. Next pack. O'Neal Cruz, base rookie. Diamond Kings, Juan Soto. Rookie Riley Adams for the Nationals. Juan Soto, Chaz McCormick, rookie for the Astros. Paul Goldschmidt, Colton Wong, Kike Hernandez, Salvador Perez, Jonathan India, Machado, Alex Verdugo, Tyler O'Neill, Brady Singer, Alec Manoa, number to 2022, red parallel. Pink, Brandon Lau, Diamond Kings. Reese Hoskins, pink. Fireworks, Tyler O'Neill, trending for the Cardinals. And a prospect, Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. Let's go on the mic. Manoa to 2022. Cruise base for Ian. Next pack. Diamond Kings of Trevor Story, Brandon Marsh, rookie, Angels, excuse me, Josh Donaldson, Aaron Ashby, rookie, that's for the Brew Crew. Ichi, name variation, Ichiro, Alex Bregman, Julio Rios, Joey Votto, Anthony Desclafani, Giancarlo Stanton, Casey Mize, Ivan Rodriguez, Alec Manoa, Brandon Lau, that's a Liberty parallel, Jesse Winker for the Reds. Pink, John Heasley, rookie for the Royals, Willie Adames, Marvel's Mookie Betts for the Dodgers, Babe Ruth Unleashed for the Yankees. Let's go on to Ian. All right, last pack of our break. I do have some cards to randomize. Then I'll do a recap for you guys. Most of your rookies get sleeved up, bigger hits top loaded, and hopefully out by tomorrow. Team bags, bubble mailers. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Last pack, good luck. That is Tony Santillan, rookie for the Reds. Cedric Mullins, Glenn Otto, rookie, Rangers. Acuna Jr., Jackson Kowar, Royals. Diamond Kings, Adolis Garcia. Marcus Semien, Max Fried, Tim Anderson, J.P. Crawford. Oh, yeah. JT Realmuto, Lance McCullers, Christian Yelich, Adam Frazier, Trevor Story, Stars, John Means. Diamond Kings, Brian Reynolds for the Pirates, Franmil Reyes for the Guardians, Dominators, Fireworks, Javi Baez, Tigers, and Yadi Molina for the Cardinals. I've never noticed if they had any packs sold at the Angels Stadium there. Usually those team packs. All right, let's do those randoms and then we'll do a recap. Mule Suttles will randomize for everybody, and then the doubles and triples. We will do a dice roll one time for all 5 cards here. Thank you, Joey. Have a good one. Let me just pull it up real quick. Sorry. All right, random.org, dice roller 1 virtual die. We're going to roll it one time for these 5 cards. For the doubles, if we roll a odd number, left side, even number for the right. Then for the triples, if we do a 1, 2, left side, 3, 4, middle, 5, 6 for the right side. I'll roll that one time on those cards. Good luck. That's going to be a 3. All right, odd number. It's going to go to Vlad Jr., Trey Turner, and Mark Melanson. 3 is the middle. Garrett Cole, Jose Abreu. All right, we'll randomize that for everybody. Mule settles. Let me just load the team names really quick. We will use the list randomizer at random.org. Thank you, Brian. Have a good one. All right, let's load that up real quick. All right, I do randomize 8 times for 824 breaks. So there's our teams there. After 8 times, the team on the top will take the Mule Settles card. All right, first one. Good luck. That's 1. There's our 30 teams there. 7 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8 times. Top team, Oakland Athletics. Mule Settles will go to Serge. All right, let's do that recap. Let's start off with some inserts and parallels here really quick. John Means, Javi Baez, Yadi Molina, Jesse Winker, Mookie Betts, Babe Ruth, Alek Manoah to 2022, Tyler O'Neill, Garrett Cole, Millville Meteor, Mike Trout, a little soft corner there, Ryan Sandberg, Casey Mize, Juan Soto, Bryce Harper, Clemens and Pettit, Pete Alonso, Musial and Pujols, Mantle, Rodriguez, Ripken, Shohei, Walker Buehler, Kyle Lewis, Roger Hornsby, Ty Cobb, Gabby Hartnett, Ryan Weathers, and a Christian Yelich. There's some rookies here. Brandon Marsh, John Heasley, Duran and Yepes, Tyler McGill. First papers of Luke Waddell, Brady Allen, Roberto Campos, John Kenzie Noel, Dario Lopez, Sagaste, and Braylon Jaraba, Darren Baker. First Mojos, Alan Cerda, Colson Montgomery, Curtis Mead, Esteban Machado, Benjamin Bailey, Jeremy Vargas. First Chrome, Braylon Minier, Jonathan Clase, Junior Sanchez, Junior Quintero, Benjamin Bailey. High Five Futures, Mojo, Jordan Lawler. Prospect Mojo, Marcelo Mayer. And Prospect Reginald Preciado. Rookie of the Year favorites, Josh Lowe. Fairchild, Green, Detmers, Duran, Colton Wong, Kowar, Bowman, Ellis, Diekman, Ashby, Marsh, Muller, Rivas, Boz, De La Cruz, Williams, and Josiah Gray. Some of our bigger hits here. We have a O'Neill Cruz base. Pink Fireworks, Jason Dominguez, rated prospect. See the Future, Wander Franco insert. Jesus Sanchez, Bert Umber parallel to 399. Alejo Lopez, rookie threads. Wander Franco base. Red frame, Ty France. Green rookie, Kyle Muller. Wander Franco base. L.A. De La Cruz, rated prospect, Pink Fireworks. Pink O'Neill Cruz. Diamond Kings, Vlad Jr., 289 out of 289. Clayton Kershaw, 35th anniversary, number 299. Autograph Vidal Brujan, numbered to 199 for the Rays. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Be back Thursday with some football. Till next time, have a good night. Bye.